Namaste bachcho. So in this video we are going to learn third and fourth types of adjective. Already we have seen Gunvachak Visheshan, Sankhya-vachak Visheshan. Now Pariman-vachak Visheshan. Pariman-vachak Visheshan, Pariman means quantity. 2 लीटर दूध दो. चित्र को देखो. 2 लीटर दूध दो. Give 2 liter milk. So here Pariman means quantity. 2 liter, 3 liter, 5 liter. These all word will describe about the quantity of the noun. दूध कितना चाहिए? 2 लीटर. 2 लीटर दूध दो. 3 मीटर कपड़ा चाहिए. We need 3 meters cloth. So 3 meter. So here we are measuring the distance. 3 meter. Okay. When we measure or weighing the things, 2 liter, 3 kilo, 4 kilo, 5 kilo. So these all words will come under the heading Pariman Vachak. Pariman means quantity. That is called quantity. Dher sari chini hai. Dher sari means huge, plenty amount. That is dher sari. Plenty amount of sugar available. Plenty, huge. Or heap of. Dher sari means heap of. So जो विशेषण संज्ञा के नाप तोल मीन्स वेइंग, मेजरिंग के बारे में बताते हैं, उन्हें परिमाणवाचक विशेषण कहते हैं. So जैसे 5 लीटर तेल, the 5 liter oil, 6 किलो चावल, 6 kgs rice, थोड़ा सा गुड़, little jaggery. So here परिमाणवाचक विशेषण also there are 2 kinds of परिमाणवाचक विशेषण. परिमाणवाचक विशेषण में 2 भेद हैं. निश्चित परिमाणवाचक, already we seen in the संख्यावाचक also. निश्चित परिमाणवाचक means definite quantity. अनिश्चित परिमाणवाचक विशेषण indefinite quantity. For example, 2 liter. If I indicate 2 liter means निश्चित परिमाणवाचक, definite number. We can come to know the number of the quantity. Now dher sari, that means plenty of. We don't know how many kg. Plenty of sugar. Heap of sugar. We don't know the proper measuring, proper weighing. So dher sari. Another example, 5 liter. If I say 5 liter, we can identify the quantity. 6 kilo, we can identify the quantity. Thoda sa good, little jaggery. Thoda sa means little. So we can't tell how much. We can't identify how much quantity was it. So thoda sa अनिश्चित परिमाणवाचक. 5, 6 निश्चित परिमाणवाचक. So परिमाणवाचक विशेषण 2 प्रकार के हैं, निश्चित परिमाणवाचक, अनिश्चित परिमाणवाचक. So let's see the 4th types of adjective. सार्वनामिक विशेषण. सार्वनामिक means सर्वनाम विशेषण. सर्वनाम विशेषण के रूप में आता है. The pronoun word will come as adjective in the sentence. For example, यह फ्रॉक बहुत सुंदर है. This frock is very beautiful. So here this frock, yah means this. So here we are demonstrating which frock is beautiful. So yah frock is beautiful. Okay, yah coming as adjective because it's indicating the noun. So another one is लड़की को तैरना आता है. This girl knows swimming. So here we demonstrate specific girl. इस लड़की को तैरना आता है. उस लड़की को तैरना नहीं आता. That girl doesn't know swimming. So we indicate specific girl. So इस लड़की को, this girl, that frock, यह घर बड़ा है, this home is big, like that. So it will indicate specific noun. So in simple form, the pronoun word will come as adjective, that is sarvanamic visheshan. It will come as pronoun as well as adjective. For example, after the pronoun, if you see the noun, so that is mostly it will come as sarvanamic visheshan. But sometimes it will not come as adjective, it will come as pronoun. For example, yah ghar hai, yah ghar hai, that means this is a home. So here yah is not adjective, yah is a pronoun. Yah ghar bada hai, this home is big. So that time this home, this word is indicating specific house, specific noun. So here this acts as a adjective. So this word is acting as an adjective. So here yah ghar bada hai means yah as a sarvanamic visheshan. गुब्बारा उड़ गया. Look at, जो सर्वनाम किसी संज्ञा की विशेषता बताते हैं उसे उन्हें सार्वनामिक विशेषण कहते हैं. So जैसे वो गुब्बारा उड़ गया है, that balloon had gone up, had flown up. उड़ गया means flying away. So कौन सा गुब्बारा उड़ गया है? वह गुब्बारा, that balloon. We are indicating specific balloon. उन बच्चों ने गीत गाया. Those children had sung song. So here who sang song? किन बच्चों ने गीत गाया? उन बच्चों ने, those children, specific children. So here इस, उस, इन, उन, यह, वह, ये, वे. So mostly these all words will come for demonstrative adjective, as an demonstrative adjective, sarvanamic visheshan. So I hope you would have understood the two more types of adjective in this video: परिमाणवाचक विशेषण, सार्वनामिक विशेषण हमने देखा इन दिस वीडियो में. सो अब गृह कार्य का समय है. इट्स अ टाइम टू होमवर्क. वाक्यों में से विशेषण शब्द और उसका भेद लिखिए. सो यहाँ 5 वाक्य दिए गए हैं. तुमको विशेषण शब्द को अलग करके लिखना है. उसके भेद का नाम, you know very well the 4 types of adjective: गुणवाचक, संख्यावाचक, परिमाणवाचक और सार्वनामिक विशेषण. So गुणवाचक विशेषण, संख्यावाचक विशेषण, परिमाणवाचक विशेषण, सार्वनामिक विशेषण. You should tell the types of the adjective. So write, underline the word, adjective word, and write here first glance. In second glance you should write the types of adjective. So प्रश्नों को पढ़ो. 4 किलो आम चाहिए. So which one is adjective? You should identify correctly. सुधा मेहनती है. If you don't, मेहनती means hard working guy. 3 लीटर तेल दो. उस बच्चे को बुलाओ. बुलाओ means call. चित्र सुंदर बना है. बना है means formed, created. Okay, chitra means picture. So please read the sentence, understand the meaning, identify the adjective, and write the types of adjective. Already you know very well there are 4 types of adjective. So you should identify the types of adjective and write the name of the adjective. So, and copy in your classwork. This is your homework. So please watch the videos, adjective videos, understand very well. You see some more examples in your content book also. If you have any doubt, please ask me in live classes and clarify your doubts. धन्यवाद.